Component replacement. The first area includes the determination of the optimal replacement time for spare parts. The decision is when to either replace components proactively or simply run them to failure. Replacing before failure ensures the repairs can be planned in advance, but if the cost of reactive maintenance is less and there is no risk of collateral damage, then run to fail is the logical choice. Coupled with this decision is the determination of inventory levels for stock to complete repairs. The levels of stock on hand should ensure availability and cost criteria are met.